So this is a Seagate BarraCuda 2TB internal hard drive, 3.5-inch SATA, 6 gigabytes per second, 7,200 RPM, 256 megabyte cache, 3.5-inch frustration-free packaging. One of the things to do when you're building a PC is you separate your storage. So you have your solid-state drive storage. This is reserved for high-functioning softwares, for your operating system, for games. So you'll install Windows on it, or Linux, or whatever, Ubuntu, whatever. You'll then also install like your programs like Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects. You'll want to run those from there. And mostly for gamers, that will be much, much faster if you have that on a solid state drive. So then to keep that drive dedicated, the solid state drive dedicated to those specific things, you also pair it with the Seagate BarraCuda, this drive right here, 2 terabyte internal hard drive. If you're just having an extra drive dedicated to downloading files, video files, images, documents, etc. All of the other random file types that end up on your PC, if you're like me, it's like an organized chaos when that happens. You want to store that on something that's not your solid state drive. So this is why this is still a popular item, even when solid state drives are the technology to go to, because you use both. You use the old tech and the new tech. The old tech, you used it to keep the new tech clean and organized, I guess. So Seagate BarraCuda also, 4.7 out of 5 stars for 59,000 ratings. Like, that's still one of the most amazing products on Amazon, realistically.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.